Alright, so Ty and Laura are about to have a baby. So, gotta get the baby bump. There she is. There's baby Tessa. So, the C-section is scheduled for Friday. And we're really excited.
Next time she'll be in our arms.
Yes.
And other meetings.
Yay! So, here's all the awesome baby shower gifts. We'll go in a circle. Okay.
Quality cheese brushes. Okay. Alright guys, you can switch and then I'm going to get you some new instruments here.
It was time for dentist appointments. Yay! Caleb has some cavities in there.
Yeah.
Show me. Because it's dentist appointment day.
Yay.
Show me those pearly whites. So
Caleb leaned back his seat all the way, and now we're snuggling in it. Kind of squished.
we're hanging out in the
Caleb, it's
Jetta.
my turn.
Well, the girls
That counts as 2 turns.
are at
Actually,
30th class. But I laid my seat down and I'm taking a nap here. And
I thought it was a good idea, so.
Caleb thought it was a good idea. So he's laying down too.
So am I. I'm laying down with him.
They're hanging out, playing on their tablet.
Oh,
And I
I'm so scared.
am pretty positive
Ow.
that
Elbow in
that Jesus is taking care of me today. Because I do not feel good. I woke up early this morning and felt kind of pukey and blah. And we had a showing scheduled this morning at 9 that I didn't realize was today. I thought it was yesterday while we were out. So that one got canceled, and then we were supposed to have another one this afternoon.
Thank God it got canceled too.
Thank you, Jesus. Otherwise, we would have been there. Well, people showed up again.
Because Mama's sick.
Yeah. And so another one this afternoon that got canceled. And and I was able to rest a little this morning so I could get the girls to dance. And yeah, now we're just chilling. These guys are awesome. They got breakfast already and did their chores. And yeah.
Tried not to freak out.
Tried not to freak out. What were you freaking out about?
It's just hard when you're sick because
Hard when Mama's
you're
sick.
not there.
Yeah, huh? You guys are awesome. So,
We're relaxing.
we're relaxing. We also went and looked at a house this week because our friend,
Caleb was spelling my armpit. Oh snap! Come on, is it on?
our friend was listing her house soon, and she was letting her
You're gonna
friends know
die,
first. So
probably.
we went and looked at it because it was in our price range, and it was
No.
weird.
That didn't
It
count.
was a cool house, really cool house. Made me realize a little bit how awesome our current house is, and that it'll be really hard to give that up. So I think it's good that I have a little time to
Finished. Game.
to get used to the
that your
idea
first
before
time?
we
Yes.
start seriously looking for a house.
Always
So
get to try the next always first.
yeah, yep.
Wait,
we
hang on.
will.
You have to see my hairstyle.
Oh, it's super cute. Who did that for you?
Jail. Esther, Jail, and I all have the same hairstyle but different bandanas.
Nice.
See?
Oh.
Every thingy, every level gets more intense in music every time.
Cool. Alright, we'll see you later. Alright, so this last couple of weeks seems to be when I'm gonna be getting over how I look in the videos and just posting videos anyway. I'm sitting here at home, hanging out on the couch. Sparks chilling with me right there. If you can, hey buddy. But let's see. I posted from earlier today that I wasn't feeling great, and my sister-in-law just called to tell me that she was praying for me today, and she had read a devotional that kind of pertained to where we're at right now, and so I was just telling her I wasn't feeling great, and so she dropped everything and came and stole all my kids away for the rest of the day, and she's going to take the girls to their second dance class and then bring them home later tonight, and it's kind of freaking me out. I don't know what to do with myself, so I've been napping and resting and feeling just super loved and blessed. I actually miss the kids a little bit because they're getting big enough now that they take care of me when I'm sick, so I have to heat up my own tea and all that. But yeah. So if you're watching this, thank you, Stephanie, and I love you. Hi. So I'm just sitting here waiting for the kids to get home, and Steph should bring them home anytime now. It has been a weird day, relaxing and bizarre. I'm kind of one of those overachievers that has a hard time relaxing at all. I always am going and getting stuff done, and but I felt really too crappy to do anything today. So yeah, Steph has had the kids for like 6 hours, and I napped and did a little bit of business research on marketing, and because I think I'm gonna end up being the marketing head of marketing for our business. I have a lot to learn. And then I've been watching YouTube videos all afternoon. I've been chilling here on the couch all afternoon and evening. My favorites right now are The Fry Life and what's the other one called? The Wilkie Ways. I'm really enjoying watching those, and some of the Dale Tribe and the Bowie Bunch, and I never sit and watch stuff for this long. It's super fun. I'm not sure I will do it again unless I'm feeling yucky, but it's a nice change of pace. So, yep, that's all I gotta say. It's so cold and snowy and beautiful out today.
I'm gonna step in it.
Yeah, that doesn't sound great. With your bare feet? Oh, she just jumped with bare feet.
Yep, I did it.
Do you have bare feet too, Caleb? Ah! Oh! Are you gonna do it too, Weezy?
I just did my toes.
Oh, your toes.
I can do it again.
Ah! I don't know if you can see it blowing, but it's crazy swirly. Woo!
Now my feet are even worse.
Why would you do that? Ah, your poor feet.
My feet hurt. They're so
Okay, what are we waiting for this morning?
Baby Tessa.
So Ty and Laura
We're having a baby.
are having baby Tessa this morning. She was scheduled for her C-section, so hopefully with the snowstorm outside, they were able to get there, huh?
You will see our awesome jumping in snow video. Very painful.
And hopefully next week we'll be able to introduce you to
Baby Tessa. Right hand blue. Left foot cloud. Thank you. It was.
Okay, we got a bunch of snow finally. And the kids. See if I can do this without falling. They made a snow fort along the front edge of the deck here. Whoa!
It's a lot warmer in there, Mom.
It's nice and warm in there?
Yeah.
You guys use like 5-gallon buckets to make all these?
Yep.
Whoa, let me see. So cool. Did you do the whole thing around this edge too?
Yeah. Oh, we're still working on this edge, but the wood was there. Also, we should
Oh.
leave that like it is, so we can like see out right there, you know. Well, I mean, we should build it up, because otherwise,
See if we can
people can go.
make it so we can see in there. Whoa, that's super cool.
I'm right behind
Nice. Good job, guys.
Big fort.
It is a huge fort. That's awesome.
Let's get the water and like douse it so it'll like stay forever. Well, Esther, we
It's not gonna stay forever.
When people come to look at our house for a showing tomorrow, they're gonna see how awesome of a fort you can build, I guess. That's so cool. Good job, guys.
Thanks.
Give me the... There it is.